Justin here, local fountain expert. I am here at this fountain, and we are going to be checking out the lights. Apparently, the lights are not working, so we are going to test that and see what the deal is. Hopefully, I can see them from shore, but if not, I got a boat and I will go out there. But fountain's running great. Got all Casco, love them. But there we go. There's the fountain, looking pretty. Get in here. Harbor Freight tool bag. Let's see what's going on. Oh, looks like some buggy bugs got up in here. I can't see the lights. Check to see if they're pulling amps, but pulling 0.3 amps. And see if I can see them. According to this, the fountain is on, but it's not. I see one light. I see two lights. I don't know if you can see it. One, two, but I don't even see the third light. There's supposed to be 3 lights out there. Let's see. I might just have to paddle out there. I wonder if the third light got knocked off or something. Sometimes the ducks and birds and stuff, but it's too bright. I'm gonna have to go out there. All right, time to pull the boat down. Take y'all with me. Oh yeah, look, the third light is missing. I gotta see if we can fish that out. Third light is just straight gone. We've got something clearly tried to climb up here, because like we got 1 light and 2 lights on, and light number 3 is supposed to be right over there, and she's just missing. Okay, so it's a 3-way. So if we grab one of the lights, other lights, we should be able to find this connector, and then find the third light. There she is, look at that. So we are missing some screws for this. I'm gonna have to make a phone call, see if I can find some replacements for this, because I don't have any of these pieces. They're in my truck currently. Used to have some, but I just gave them out. But yeah, basically there's these little things, so I might be able to make something up. I might just be able to go, I gotta see what I have in my truck. But if I don't have what I need to get the proper ones, and look at this, look, this one's missing it too. That's crazy. But it's missing, I don't know if you can see that, but it's missing the bracket right there, or missing the outside, so I'd have to get a replacement for it. I might as well just get, should just be able to find a nut that goes on there. Let me see if I can get this one off. That way I can take, this is what we need right here. This little guy, we need some of these. And then we just need basically to lock it on the other side. So we're gonna put this guy, this light that I just took off to harvest that on, and tighten it as best as possible. And we are gonna go see what we have in the truck. these banks where it's a steep bank to get up makes the kayak a little bit more difficult. I could theoretically go, or there's a spot over there I could go, but I'm gonna throw you guys up here. Okay, so we're looking for this little guy right here. See if we have any. If I had to guess, unfortunately, I think the answer is going to be no, that we don't have it on this truck, which means I'm going to have to go get it, which is not the end of the world. I can probably find it. You know, any hardware store is going to have it. Okay. It does not look like I have any. So I will take this with me and we'll go to the store and see if we can find it. Oh, I didn't check this right here. No, that's all like miscellaneous screws. I got my miscellaneous screw drawer. Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't have it. Okay. Not the end of the world. Let me get packed up. All these stickers on me now. By the way, it's like, it was like in the low 50s this morning. And now, it's, let me turn these off. And now, it's probably in the 70s. And I think it's getting up into the 80s. Welcome to North Florida. Okay, I am going to call the customer real quick, let him know what's going on, make sure he wants me to go ahead and get it done, because unfortunately for them and for me, I don't work for free, and neither should you. I'll let you know what's going on. So, talked to the customer went ahead and approved me just getting it done. We're booked at the moment for pretty far out, so I wanted to try to get this done for him while I had a minute, because I didn't want him waiting a month and a half. So they approved it. We're just gonna go ahead and get it done. I'm gonna run over and see if I can find those parts and go from there. All right, so me and my infinite wisdom, I lost the little bolt that I took off to be able to figure out what size. So I just got a bunch of random stuff and we're gonna see if it works. I might be. All right, I'm back. And of course I get back and I found it. And yes, it was in my truck the entire time. Oh, the joys. Okay. So, I have to find out if I got anything that is worthwhile. So, it's definitely a little bit bigger than I was thinking in my memory. They didn't have any bolts that were of that kind of size. So, I ended up getting these rounded heads, and pretty sure that is number 10. It's short. Let's see. That does go on. Okay, so it is number 10. So now we just got to find out, which means we got to go all the way out there, if this bolt, ooh, that I just dropped, is long enough, and if that rounded head allows us to do the trick. Here we go. Nothing to do her, but nothing to her, but to do her. these all right there. We're gonna see if they survive. Let's get out there. Okay, we are here. Flip you around. Okay, again, it's hard for me to show you everything. He's about to find out. Does this little guy fit in here? And the answer is almost. Maybe with a little motivation. Yeah, I think we can get it in with a little motivation. No, I gotta get it out. I know. Get some. Oh, and there it goes, and she gone. She is in the water. Now we'll see if this little guy fits. And the answer is no. Okay, so we have to make it work with that screw head. So essentially what I'm realizing is that this solution is going to be what I would call temporary. It's going to get them up and running, but I'll have to get them a better option. I've got more bolts, by the way. That's on there. Now we just got to tighten her up. Again, I'm not sure how long this is going to last. I didn't think about that. I have to go back to shore. Get something else. Oh, there we go. Getting that guy out. See this side. Alright. This one has one side, but not the other. So we fold it over here. This guy, get it on there. This side, need this. One more. That one just needs to be, on that side, just needs to be angled. So I think we have our solution. We'll angle that. And then we'll take these and we will tighten them down. And there it is. All the lights. All three are working. We have 1, 2, 3 right there. One short. All right. Throw that up there. Turn it all off. Okay. And then we're going to turn the fountain back on. Fountain is running. That right there. There it is. So it's a mechanical timer. We just spin it. It only goes one way. But set to auto. Set to auto. There's slightly different timers. But there we go. Easy peasy. And we're running. Let's get all packed up. Alright, here she is. She is running. Just gonna put this screwdriver back before I forget. Love this little backpack. It's fantastic. Boom. Harbor Freight, baby. Not a sponsor. I don't have any sponsors. So that was it. We got it running. Got the well, it was running, but the lights. Probably my guess is something. Some animal, duck, geese, alligator, turtles. I've seen them all climbed up on there and got it and broke it. So we all I did is just go out there, found the wrong bolts, made them work anyways, put them in there and got them running. And you know, hey, they're happy. So lights will be on, they'll be pointing in the right directions. Again, this is Justin, local fountain expert. We do everything fountains wise. If it squirts water, you don't drink from it or swim in it. For good chances we take care of it. Let us know what you need and we'll be happy to help you out. You have a good one.